I just had a video show up in my feed from a channel that I know I'm not subscribed to. But I recognized the face. I recognized the channel. And then I remembered that's a channel that I had gone to a few weeks ago. And I didn't click on the video because I didn't have time to watch the video, but I did go to investigate the channel. I clicked over to the channel and I looked at the channel, and sure enough, there were a few short videos that I had watched. And YouTube knew that I watched those videos because those videos were now in my watch history. YouTube knew that, the algorithm knew that, and it recommended those videos to me as a likely candidate to watch more videos. This was several weeks ago, and I just came across the channel, and I was doing research, and I was curious in how those videos were done. The creator mentioned that they had a background in TV production, so I was interested in the format. I was interested in how they did their videos. I was interested in some different things about the channel, and I went and I checked it out. I watched a few short videos. I might not have even watched the entire video, but YouTube remembered that, and there were a couple of videos that were in my watch history. I had a little red bar when I went to their channel that I had watched them. That's just how YouTube works. You've got to get in the person's watch history. And so it all starts with getting in a person's watch history. It sounds really weird. It sounds even kind of creepy, but that's just how YouTube works. That's where it starts. So it's about getting the click, getting the person to watch a little bit of the video. And if you can get someone to click on your video by having clickable titles and thumbnails and get them to enjoy something about your video, then they may be recommended another one of your videos in the future. It may not even be tomorrow. It may be a few weeks later, far removed, where they watched a video, they moved on with life like I did, but then all of a sudden, several weeks later, 2-3 weeks later or so, they're recommended one of your videos. And so make good titles and thumbnails, have quality videos, of course, and if they like something about their video when they're recommended another one of your videos, then they may likely click on that one also and watch it too. And if they like enough of your videos, then they'll subscribe to your videos, they'll comment on your videos, they'll be a fan of you and the videos that you create. So make quality content for Christ and you can reach more people. But that's where the journey begins. It begins with discovery, and discovery begins by getting the person that knows nothing about you, absolutely nothing about you. Think about what would make them click on your video and begin to watch. And then what would make them want to watch more of your videos once they have started watching the video. Well, I hope that was helpful. Welcome to Get the Word Out. My name's Adam Markley, helping you get the Word of God out to the masses. I deal with the theology and practice of online ministry. Be sure to subscribe. If you're new here, hit that notification bell so you know when new videos are out. And now you need to know how to take your journey to the next level, actually how to get started on your journey or wherever you're at on your journey. If you watch this video, this playlist that I'm going to link to here on titles and thumbnails, that will help you make better clickable titles and thumbnails. I pray that it's a blessing. I look forward to helping you in your journey as a Christian content creator. So go ahead and click on that now so you can reach more people for Christ and do it all to the glory of God. God bless. I'll see you over there.